Yeah, well, it continues to be an issue, and in 2020, I think we counted at least 12 major program delays, most of which were due to fully or in part to CMC related issues. Some of these are, I think, a natural consequence of the evolution of the field. As people start to move from early IND stage phase 1 studies towards commercialization, as they're scaling their processes, and in most cases having to change their processes to scale them, they're learning, and that can be a painful process, and there are bumps in the road. Part of it too, though, is that I think there are still some regulatory disconnects, and FDA has done, and OTAD have done a fantastic job in the regulation of cell and gene therapies, but we're really lacking guidance applicable to late stage development at the BLA stage. And I think that, along with some of the resourcing issues at OTAD and at CBER, have led to maybe communication not being as smooth as it could be. And there have been some surprises and misunderstandings over things like requirements for potency assays, for example. That's a big issue in the field.